हो सुभाषचंद्र म्हणटा तो कोण? सुभाषचंद्र हो आसलो तो एक IAS ऑफिसर, एग्रीकल्चराचो आणि हाऊसिंग बोर्डाचो डायरेक्टर आसलो. इतले तुम्ही शिकलेले आणि ह्या पोस्टार पावलेले मनीस, मात तुमकां अंडरस्टँडिंग ना. म्हाकाच कळना बाबा तुम्ही इतली वर्सां गव्हर्मेंट नोकरी ह्या पोस्टाचेर काम करून तुमकां बारीक लोकांचे फिलिंग, बारीक लोकांक कितलो त्रास जाता हे तुमकां काय कळना. अशें म्हणूंक जाता सुभाषचंद्र तूं शिकोन बुडत म्हणून. आतां मागता हांव बाय अमिता लागीं 2 उतरां उलोवंक.
It started with the heel cutting first. My question to you, our villagers, how many of you all supported? Very handful. Thanks to Sylvester, thanks to Rohit Monsarat. It is that one fine day we saw that the whole hill was cut from behind. None of us were aware. None of us were aware what was happening in Ribandar. It is then when we clicked pictures and then we took signatures from our ward, and then we come to know again it is a Delhiite only who has cut the whole hill. Followed by the pictures came on the papers, Herald, Navin Times. We moved house to house taking signatures. Every second day we moved to the different government offices. Carol, myself, Sylvester was with us. We had this activist Avetyan Mirand who also helped us unconditionally, and his support was so much. But my question to you villagers is, where were all of y'all? We did announce, we did put on the groups, but none of y'all came in support. This is very, very hurting. The village is not mine and mine alone. The village belongs to all of us. The hill belongs to all of us, not alone me, Carol or Sylvester or Dominic. The hill belongs to all of us. Yet we went ahead to WRD office. Subhash Faldesai, we psyched his brains, Rohit Monsarat came personally over there. He saw the whole thing and he was upset, saying that so much the hill was cut. After that, we moved to WRD and we got the hill done completely. But remember one thing, it is at the cost of our money. The mistake was who has done it, how it was done it, why it was done it, but ultimately the wall was done at the cost of we taxpayers.
दिवचे न्हू, कित्याक जाणा तुम्ही दोनाका रिबांदारकारूच हो इश्यू घेवपाचो म्हण. हे आयज रिबांदारकारान जाला, फाल्यां हे आमच्या गांवांत जावंक शकता, हुंयसरूय जावंक शकता. अरे लॉ म्हूण आहा न्हू, कोणी दुसऱ्याच्या भाटान वचून एनक्रोचमेंट करून ताचे हे बंद करूंक शकता, व्हेंटिलेशन बंद करूंक शकता. आनी ती पळय सांगता तिचे उदक पडोन आपल्याचे दोनांतल्यान भितर येता म्हणून. हे कितें नाका जाल्लें हे. म्हणटच म्युनिसिपालिटी आनीक NGPDA आनी इमिजिएटली एक्ट करपाची गरज आसा. गरज जाल्यार आमी सगळे एकवटान एक मेमोरेंडम एका दिवया म्युनिसिपालिटीक, आमचे कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ सिटी ऑफ पेंजीम हाका आमी सगळे एकवटान दिवया आनी तेका अल्टिमेटम दिवया एक 15 दिसांचो की हे बेगींतले बेगीन एज पर रुल्स तुम्ही हे करा. गरज पडत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे वचोन सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ पेंजीम एका मेळोन तांकां सांगचें पडटलें आमी उठचे ना, आमी दिसभर रावतले, ते मोडीसर ताजेर एक्शन घेयसर. आनी असो करून आमी जर तांचेर प्रेशर हाडलो जाल्यारच अशें गोंयांत पळय इलिगलिटी जाता त्यो बंद जातल्यो. ना जाल्यार हे एक धाकटें स्टार्ट जालां. हे रिबांदार गांवांत एक हे स्टार्ट जालां, ते सगळ्याक आख्खे गोंयभर चलतले. हे आमी स्टॉप करपाक आमी हो इश्यू एक्सलेट जायनासतना ताका थिंगा थांबोवन तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक आमकां चड गरज. इतलें सांगून हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.